Hey everyone, Happy New Year. Welcome to my channel. I'm Filmmaker Amal. Today I have a bunch of red flowers here that I wanted to display. It might make me blurry throughout the video, and if it does, I'm sorry, but it just is what it is. This YouTube channel for me has always been super casual. It's something I've always wanted to do just to share my filmmaking journey. And yes, I am a filmmaker, but this is super shooting on my phone on some random camera at some random time and just sharing my information with you guys, because for me, the content is the most important thing in this case. Today, I'm going to be talking to you about Moleskine, or Moleskin as I call it, the Moleskine Diary, which is a diary that I get every single year. Have a look here, have a look at that. I go over my achievements for 2020 at the end of the year. So this year, one of the biggest achievements for me is I finally got signed, yay! So I have a manager. You can have either agents or managers, managing agents, but basically in the film industry, one of our biggest goals, whether you're an actor, actress, writer, director, crew member, is to get an agent. And the reason why is, first of all, you have some credible representation behind you. You can start submitting scripts and getting work that you wouldn't otherwise get because of that wider network. And in my case, having a manager offers me a lot of guidance. So they kind of help structure your career and put you on track to develop and reach the goals that you want to as a filmmaker. So that just happened last week. Some of the other things that I've been doing that are on my achievement list for 2020 here, I added 4 new classes to Udemy. Some of you guys might know I have classes on Udemy. I will link them down below for those who are interested. Script writing, how to raise financing for your film, crowdfunding, and basically it's something I enjoy doing because that's the whole reason why I started this YouTube thing in the first place. And that's another achievement. In April, I made this YouTube channel. On top of that, I was stuck in quarantine for 2 weeks in a hotel, and I made Instagram stories every day that helped grow my following. A lot of people who are watching my YouTube today probably came initially from my Instagram following. And with that came a bunch of opportunities and just ways of reaching out and sharing with other people. One thing I did share was a film I shot, and that was Puzzle Dust. You can actually watch that online. I will also link it for you, but I managed to shoot a short film this year, which is a great achievement for me, because when I don't shoot something for the whole year, I start to get really itchy. I mean, as a director, filmmaking is a craft as much as it is a passion and a form of expression. So if you're not consistently working and creating something new, you kind of feel a little bit useless. And some of you guys might feel that, oh, I shot a film 5 years ago, but I haven't done anything since. I wrote a script 10 years ago, but I haven't done anything since. I acted last year, but that was my last job. And we all kind of feel down when we're not doing something and progressing and learning, and that's the reason why I prepare my diary. Another thing is, obviously, I crowdfunded for a short horror film that I wanted to shoot called Ladies Coffee. That was successful. We didn't get to shoot that because of the pandemic, but the funds are still sitting there and we are ready to go when we're good to go. I want to show you inside, so let's take you to the inside of the diary and just show you kind of how it goes, and then we'll be back to unwrap 2021. Last year, at the beginning of the year, there's some things that I did want to do and not do. So, don't spend time with flaky people, live with anyone, attend many weddings. I kind of got bored of going to weddings. Do more, meet new people, more work, dinners with friends, exercise, film festivals, and then resolution, self-love, more focus, and healthier lifestyle. And then I went on to doodle a little bit, put in some power words. My power words for this year will be abundance and gratitude, which I'll make all pretty. And then here, I took us to sort of the month-long what I do kind of every month. I'll make notes along the side, and then on the bottom here, this is something new I started doing: submissions, rejections, successes, and jobs. So whenever I submit to film festivals or writing or scripts,
Arab scriptwriter submission. I didn't get that. The next month I found out. Pro Cam short film competition, also didn't get that, but I found out 2 months later. Rejections, this is something I had submitted to a few months before, didn't get it. Success, oh look, launched YouTube channel and did a Udemy course, and Airbnb experiences. And then also jobs, I didn't get any jobs. Nespresso, this is the Nespresso short film competition, which I had planned to join. And then I didn't get any jobs. But if I did, I'd usually put in the job and the amount of money that I made. And then obviously, if I go straight to the back here, you can see that here are some sleeves with some of the stickers, the Moleskine stickers that they give you. I obviously did not use, I have these are the ones I've collected from years ahead. You'll see bits and bobs, doodles and scoodles in my diary, but these are the ones from, these are the old school ones. They obviously changed the design. These are the old ones.
All right, guys, so now here is the 2021 planner. I've already started, but I wanted to save this for all of you because I didn't want to do this on my own. But now I am undressing this diary. Smells so fresh. And the reason why I like this one, I like these because they're soft cover. Moleskine also does some hardcover ones. This feels like an unboxing video. I think I might just do an unboxing of the Moleskine diary. I always get the monthly ones because I feel like it's a perfect fit for me. I like to see the whole month ahead of me. Especially as a filmmaker, I feel it's very handy because you get a lot of deadlines like script submissions or film festival submissions. So peeling off this little monthly mensuel. What's a mensuel? Oh, Cabernet mensuel. Oh, okay. Well, okay. So first things first, let's go to the very back, find those lovely stickers. I never use these stickers. They always kind of stay with me. Oh, I'm glad. Well, I'm glad that they reduced the number, actually. There's only 1, 2, 3. Well, there's only 3. And you know what I like to do as well? I like to put money in there. Like if you have like a, 10-pound note, $5 bill, 100 dirham note, whatever currency you work in is always fun because you forget about it and then you find it sometime during the year and you're like, yay, money! Ah, smells chemical. This is exciting because now it's just a clean slate. And the first thing I'm going to do is add those words that I told you guys about. I'm going to write them in, and then I think I want to watercolor them because last year, cute, post-corona jobs, post-corona incomes. As a filmmaker, of course, I'm not always shooting, so I'm not always making money shooting stuff or writing stuff, so I need to supplement my income with other types of things, and I have a video about that, so you can check that out as well. I don't know how to describe this, but when I feel like lost in life, like I'm down or I'm not motivated or I feel like I'm not doing enough, I sit down and I make a list or I make a plan or I start a new project or whatever. So me doing this at the end of the year and then starting afresh in the new year really helps. And I feel like it will help you, and I really recommend it, which is why I'm doing this video actually. Is just to sit there and write your goals. Like write what you want to achieve. Like I want to shoot 1 film today. Like last year, what I had said is I wanted to write 5 scripts this year. Write 5 new scripts. So I wrote 1, which is Puzzle Dust, which I shot. The 2 other ones. In the end of the year, I wrote 1 more, which was actually it was a treatment, but I'll give myself that. And then I wrote another short. So that was 5. And at the beginning of the year, I write 5 new scripts, and I had no idea that I would achieve that. I also had a money goal. I'm like, this is the amount of money that I want to make. I'll keep that to myself, thank you. I won't share that with anybody. But I didn't make my goal this year, but that's okay. Yeah, so I'm gonna take my time now. I'm gonna make myself a nice coffee. I'm gonna go through my my diary and just write down all the meetings I have in January, the goals, the submissions I have and want to do. I already have been asked to write 3 treatments and rewrite 2 scripts. which is a lot of work to do in 1 month, but you know, I can do it. So it's nice just to sit down and hammer that out and write that in there. Use this to prepare deadlines and make sure you stick to your deadlines. And I think that you will get to where you want to get to. It just takes a little bit of time. It's taken me so long to just, you know, get signed, for example, and now it's here, and now I feel like my life will be better for it. So till next time, guys, I hope that was useful for you. Happy New Year. Take care. See ya. Oh, it is the new year. Hi.